Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you always in a good condition, always healthy, keep in iman, Islam and ihsan, and also always healthy and keep spirit. Okay. Today we will learn about comparative, superlative, and as adjective as. You can open your book page 158. There is an explanation about the material. Okay, so please check it out. I will explain about comparative. The comparative is normally used if you want to compare two things, people, etc. Comparative biasanya digunakan ketika kamu ingin membandingkan dua benda, orang, atau lainnya. When we compare using short word, ketika kita membandingkan menggunakan kata yang pendek yang terdiri dari satu atau dua suku kata, maka kita menambahkan er plus than at the end of the adjective. Example, he is taller than me, my car is cheapest than your car. If an adjective ends in one vowel and consonant, we double the consonant and add er. Ketika kata sifat diakhiri oleh satu vokal dan konsonan, kita menggandakan konsonan dan menambahkan er. Big, bigger, hot, hotter, thin, thinner, fat, fatter. If an adjective ends with a y, we change it to I and er. Heavy, heavier, funny, funnier, easy, easier, ugly, uglier. Jadi ketika kata sifat diakhiri oleh huruf Y, maka kita merubahnya menjadi huruf I dan ditambahkan huruf R. When we compare two things or people using long words, ketika kita membandingkan dua benda atau orang menggunakan kata yang panjang yang terdiri dari tiga atau lebih suku kata, maka kita menambahkan more plus adjective plus than. Maria is more beautiful than Jennifer. This book is more interesting than that book. These are irregular word change. Good, better, bad, worse, poor, little, less, more, much. If you want to compare three or more things, people, etc., you use the superlative. Jika kalian ingin membandingkan tiga atau lebih benda atau orang, kalian bisa menggunakan superlative. When using short word, ketika kita menggunakan kata yang pendek, kita menambahkan the plus adjective plus s. Example, red car is the fastest of all. Dinosaur is the tallest. When using long words, three or more syllables, we add the most plus adjective. Ketika kita menggunakan kata yang panjang yang terdiri dari tiga atau lebih suku kata, kita menambahkan the most plus adjective. He is the most intelligent student in the class. She is the most beautiful girl in the world. Irregular word change. Good, best, bad, worse, far, further, little, less. Short adjective. Our short adjective: short, shortest, shortest, high, higher, highest, simple, simpler, simplest, clever, cleverer, cleverest. Long adjective: interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. These are long adjectives. As adjective as. We use as adjective as to compare two things and say they are the same or equal. Kita menggunakan as adjective as untuk membandingkan dua benda tersebut dan sama. Mary is as tall as her sister. Mary sama tingginya dengan saudara perempuannya. We use not as adjective as to compare two things and say they are different. Kita menggunakan not as adjective as untuk membandingkan dua benda dan benda tersebut berbeda. Mike is not as handsome as his brother. She is as beautiful as Pamela. Cindy sama cantiknya dengan Pamela. Tom is as bad as Gordon. Tom sama gemuknya dengan Gordon. Okay, I think enough my explanation about comparative superlative and as adjective as. For the assignment, please open your book page 158. Answer the practice 1 and practice 2. Write the sentences using comparative superlative and as adjective as. Okay, thanks for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.